This particular channel, known as No Sense, has been able to get $95 to 1.5k monthly estimated earnings just by creating Stickman videos. And in this video, I'm going to show you easiest way you can be able to also create Stickman videos, monetize it using just your smartphone. The very first thing you do is for you to head on to ChatGPT and log in your ChatGPT, and you are going to paste this prompt to ChatGPT. First of all, you tell ChatGPT to give you a Stickman viral video ideas, and ChatGPT is going to give you a lot of viral video ideas which you are going to choose from. It's either you choose the story time and psychology, or you choose the money and success, or you choose motivation, or you choose dark stories. So for the purpose of this video, let's say we are going to choose money and success. So let's say I choose number two. That is what we are going to tell ChatGPT. So what ChatGPT is going to do next is that in this number two now, it is going to give us a script like this number two, which is money and success, right? So let's say I choose, let me tell him I choose money and success. Right? So it says money and success is one of the strongest niches for Stickman animations. So now there are 10 viral video ideas when it comes to money and success. Now I'm going to say I choose number one. Give me a script well relatable and with emotions, right? So now what next ChatGPT is going to do is that it's going to give me a script. Now as you can see, it's giving me a script. It says why people stay poor. Imagine working harder every year but somehow you are still broke. Why does that happen? So this is a script ChatGPT has given to me. The next thing I am going to do, I'm going to say give me a prompt to generate images scene by scene of this script. So ChatGPT is going to give me prompt to generate images script by script. So as you can see, it says, now this is a very first point. It says a lonely Stickman sitting on the floor beside an empty wallet and unpaid bills. So what I'm going to do next is that, as you can see, these are the prompts to generate the images. So next I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this particular prompt. So I've copied this particular prompt and I'm going to head on to Google Flow, right? I'm going to head on to Google Flow. So I'm going to head on to Google Flow, and what I'm going to do in Google Flow is this. So I'm going to allow my Google Flow to load. As you can see, it is loading, and yes, this was what I was actually working on. So I'm just going to click on a new project, right? I'm going to click on new project, and under this new project, what I'm going to do next is that I'm going to create on generate image, right? So I'm going to click here. Let me remove this from desktop screen so that you can easily see my screen and know what I am doing, because it's on desktop screen, so you may likely not get to see what I'm doing. So down here you see that it is already in a video. So I'm going to change it from video to image because I want to generate images first. So I'll change it to 16.9 aspect ratio, and I'm going to get 2 images because that is what I am setting it on, right? So I'm going to paste this prompt and I'm going to allow it to load. As you can see here, it is loading and I'm going to get my Stickman image. Now this is my Stickman images that has been generated. This is the very first one, right? And also we have another one. We have 2 of them that has been generated. We have the first one and we also have the second one. So for we to actually get this, we are going to click on download. All right, so let's click on download and we are going to get this. So let's just click on 1K, which is the original size. Now this particular image has been downloaded. Now the next thing we are going to be doing is that we come back here. See, it has downloaded. So the next thing we are going to do is still down here, you click on this nano banana, right? Now clicking on this nano banana, we don't want to generate images again, right? The next thing we are going to be doing is we want to generate for videos, so we go back. So let's go back and we are going to start a new project again. So you download all the images you are looking for to make that particular video, and you go on new project. So you click on new project again and you allow it to open. Now over here, the same place, we click on it again. Now you see that you see the option of image and you see the option of a video. So you click on video because we are here to animate, right? So you can either choose to make it 2 scenes or just 1 scene. We just want one of it, right? And that is just how it is. Now the next thing you do is you upload that particular image, right? You upload that particular image we got. Remember, we already downloaded that image. So this is our image that we want to animate, right? This is a particular image we want to animate. Now while it is still loading, we go back to ChatGPT. We say give me the image animation, the image to video animation prompt, scene by scene, and we allow it to open. So now this is for the scene 1, what we just generated, right? So you see the Stickman sits on the floor holding an empty wallet. So what we do is we are also going to copy it. We copy and we go back to our Google Flow. So now that we have gotten our Google Flow to open, what we are going to do next is that we are going to paste that prompt, that video prompt we got from ChatGPT, right? As you can see, you can either make it to be 6 seconds, or you can make it to be 8 seconds, or you can make it to be 3 seconds. So let's click on it. We are going to animate this particular image. So as you can see here, it's animating. You are just going to give it some time for it to animate, or we are going to get what we want. It's on cue, so you just allow it for some time and it's going to animate. Our animation has been generated, our video has been generated. So let's play it and see what we get. Now that is just how it is. What you are going to do next is that you are also going to download this particular video that has been generated. So you download this particular video, you allow it to download, right? Let's wait for it to download. All right, so we have downloaded this particular video. The next thing you are going to do is that you go on to your CapCut. You go on to CapCut and you allow your CapCut to open. This is where you are going to paste this particular video that you have generated. So you click on new video, right? And that is just how it is. So what you do is you paste the video. Let's allow it to open, right? Click on add and you paste them as much as you were able to generate, right? You paste them and you bring them here, and this is what you are going to get. All right, so that is just how it is on how you can be able to get your Stickman video. So what next there is for you to edit your videos, right? Know how to edit, cut, make it fast, you add your emotional background music, you add your captioning and the rest. If you're also looking for ways you can be able to get CapCut Pro for free, then make sure you comment I am interested, and I'm going to make sure you get CapCut Pro for free. So this is how you are able to generate a viral AI Stickman videos. And if you find this video informative, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button so that I can continue getting updates anytime I'll drop helpful videos like this. Thank you.